Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Welcome to our Balfour Beatty board meeting on the 8th of April 2011. Since we started our company in 1909 by George Balfour, a mechanical engineer, and Andrew Beatty, a chartered accountant, we are now ranked the 19th place in the international constructors. We have 4 operating businesses, which are professional services, construction services, support services, and infrastructure investment. Our managerial structure at the moment of the corporate system and the operating companies is decentralized in an evolved way. And today meeting main subject is the globalization of our company, Balfour Beatty. Isabella, could you tell us about the political and economical factors that we face in this challenge?
Let's move on now to the analysis of the political and economic factors affected Balfour Beatty company. Our company has come through the recession in 2008 pretty well, and only about 20% of our business has been affected by government spending. The challenge of our company was keeping the organization moving forward and success through the recession. The company has been involved in the rail, road and other infrastructure projects such as the Olympic Games, winning the M25 and the contract with airports operator to develop Heathrow's Terminal 2. What is more, Balfour Beatty's US business now accounts for 30% of its turnover, with 50% coming from the UK and 20% the rest of the world. Through the examination of external factors, it's clear that the macro environment of Balfour Beatty company has not been influential globally a lot. The most significant outcome of this political and economic factor has been the impact on the global infrastructure market growth. Moreover, I see a strong and well-managed company which operates its finances carefully. Our company is looking to expand in fast-growing East and still develop its position in UK and the USA. Thank you.
Thank you, Isabella. Jess, what about the social, cultural, and technological factors that we need to consider?
Well, what I've found is by 2030, the world's population is predicted to increase by 8.9 billion, with the most expected growth to arise in developing countries. As a result, the global population is due to rise, with Brazil's population estimated to increase to 91%, followed closely by China, India and Russia. As it stands, 61% of the global population lies in this bracket. In consideration to the looming impact, an upsurge in infrastructure, services and roads projects are heavily anticipated, with projects predicted to grow. The implementation of sustainable methods and materials are high on the agenda. A breakthrough eco-friendly paving, photocatalytic paving, which converts pollution into harmless waste and beholds self-cleansing properties, has entered the market. It would be in Balfour Beatty's best interest to invest in this material as we strive towards a clean and green future.
Great idea, thank you. Dominic, what is the situation on the market in terms of supply, buyers, new entrants and substitutes?
Buyer power is high, there's more option due to the number of competitors, and bigger buyers can knock down the price of rent to go elsewhere. Supplier power is high, size of orders for equipment and materials gives buyers leverage to negotiate discounts and favourable credit and payment terms. New entrants is low, high infrastructure costs and high current levels of competition makes this an unlikely threat, and substitutes is rising. Infrastructure markets in Asia, Africa and South America is important for the growth because those markets are growing faster than traditional markets.
Okay, thanks Dominic. Now in terms of competitors, we have mostly 7 major competitors all around the world. They have services in almost everything: construction, services, infrastructure, energy and power, heavy machinery, real estate development, civil and architectural and engineering, mining, oil and gas, chemical and petrochemicals. We're looking at Vinci, which is the largest in France and Europe, CCCC, which is the largest in China. In Japan, we have Kajima. In India, we have sorry, in Australia we have Leighton, and then we have in Brazil, which is the ostrich, and these are the 7 main competitors. As I said, they develop in different structures, so we really need to strive to overcome them. Now, Agnes, could you tell us the conclusion of your SWOT analysis, please?
Yes, the main strengths are high quality of products and their durability. Moreover, our company has a good reputation in the marketplace and is well diversified across geographies. It is focused on customer satisfaction and environmental care and safety. One of the weaknesses is the heavy deficit in pension funds, which is causing present and future problems. One of the main opportunities for Balfour Beatty is growing education sector in the UK, which will provide more opportunities to have qualified engineers in the country. Also, infrastructure business offers outstanding opportunities as well. However, the company might face some threats like the recession, which might cause customers to postpone, reduce, or cancel some projects. And what is more, operating in international markets may cause ethical problems and corruption.
Thank you, Agnes. Jess, as international business development, what is the conclusion of this meeting today?
Well, I believe that as a conclusion, our managerial structure will continue in a decentralised and evolved way with increased autonomy in our subsidiaries. This will increase resource acquisition and aid in developing our company across the globe. The subsidiaries should be encouraged to adapt to their environments in consideration of the core values, which would be teamwork, integrity, excellence and respect.
Thank you. I think that is the conclusion of our meeting today. Thank you so much for coming, and we'll see you next meeting.
Thank you very much.
Bye.